Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Elevate with Dr. Khizer Ahmed. Today I'm back with one more video. So today I'll be telling you people how to build a personal brand online. So how do you start out? So the first thing is follow the steps and focus on adding value. Your personal brand will grow organically with time. So first subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss these kind of important videos. So let me go to the first step. Define your niche. So, what is defining your niche? Focus on your expertise and what you're passionate about. Be specific to attract the right audience. So, I'll tell you the step 2 now. Optimize your profiles. Use professional profile pictures and consistent handles. Include keywords in your bio to highlight your niche so that people know what kind of brand you are. Coming to the third step, create valuable content. Post regularly and provide solutions to your audience's problems. Mix personal stories with educational and inspirational content. People love this. So, step 4 is engage and network with your audience. Reply to comments and DMs to build relationships. Collaborate with others in your niche to grow your reach. Let me take you to the fifth step. Stay consistent. Consistency in posting and messaging builds trust with audience. So, show up regularly to keep your audience engaged. Guys, so these are some of the steps which you can focus on, and this will add more value to your brand. So your personal brand will grow organically with time. So if you have not subscribed to this, please go and subscribe to this channel. Please support me by liking this video and commenting on this. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a great day.